The Graduate Certificate in Data Analysis for Complex Systems will help you to identify, gather, and process data to model and to understand complex systems. You will also learn how to use data to gain actionable insights that help you improve your processes and create new ones. This program is designed for people in non-technical roles who are looking to use the power of data to understand and model complex systems. It is a great fit for you if you are an early or mid-career professional with an undergraduate degree. This program will help you complement your existing expertise and become a knowledge worker in a specialized field such as financial technology, organizational management, or digital marketing. In this program, you will learn how to model, using mathematical concepts, real-life systems, phenomena, and organizations, their elements and interactions. You will also learn how to implement, using open-source computational tools, mathematical models of real-life systems, phenomena, and organizations clearly and effectively. Additionally, you will learn how to select appropriate mathematical and computational concepts to adequately represent a complex systems to gain insight into its structure and function.